In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Gmail account to Outlook in just a few simple steps. This is a great setup if you want to manage your Gmail messages, calendar, and contacts all in one place without constantly switching between apps. Whether you're using Outlook for work, school, or personal productivity, connecting Gmail can make your inbox a lot easier to handle. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, go to the top left corner and click on the File tab. This will take you into the main account settings area where you can manage email accounts and add new ones. Next, under Account Information, look for the option that says Add Account and click it. A setup window will appear asking for the email address you want to connect. Here, type in your Gmail address carefully, then click Connect. After that, Outlook may briefly process the connection and you might see a confirmation screen. On this screen, select Done to continue. Now a new window will pop up asking for your Gmail login details. Enter your Gmail password, then select Sign In. Depending on your account settings, Google may ask you to verify your identity or confirm that this is really you. If that happens, just follow the on-screen steps to complete verification. After that, you may also be prompted to grant Microsoft apps and services permission to access your Gmail account. This is a normal part of the setup, and it allows Outlook to sync your messages properly. If you see this permission request, select Allow to continue. Once Outlook finishes connecting your Gmail account, the setup will complete automatically. When that happens, click Done to close the window. At this point, your Gmail account should now be added to Outlook, and you should start seeing your inbox sync inside the Outlook app. You can now send, receive, and organize your Gmail messages directly from Outlook without needing to open Gmail in your browser every time. If you don't see your emails right away, give it a moment to sync, especially if this is the first time connecting the account, and that's it. You've successfully added a Gmail account to Outlook. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides, and I'll see you in the next video.